All right, hope everybody's having a good night. Here we are. We're back at the South Coast Plaza, and we're back at Chico's. We did a screen and coat here a couple weeks back, probably a little bit more, like 2 months ago. Turned out really good, but really wasn't what the owner of the store wanted. So we're gonna do a sand and finish here, and actually we're gonna stain the floor as well. So let me turn this around, kind of show you guys what we're gonna be looking at. This is pretty much the back entrance, but it's gonna be brief. My guys are already back here sanding and everything, but we'll take a look at the condition of this floor. See, it's all scratched up, everything like that. Did a sample here, and that's more or less what they want to go with. So we'll take a look. Through all these scratches. Let me see if I can get under here without. All right. Loud in here, I know, but take a look at the floor. Already got the man Jorge on the sander right here. Look at this damage right here. Stuff like that will just lift up. But you can see a couple scratches right there, and they're just going to disappear. Got this whole end, we got plastic up, we got everything going. So everybody have a good night. I'll do another video sometime tomorrow, or maybe even tomorrow morning. We'll just see what everything looks like. Quick update. Everybody have a great day.